How to add delivery zone in Skip the Dishes. If you order most frequently food from Skip the Dishes and you're not only on one location but you're maybe surfing between many locations, right? And that is the reason why you might want to add multiple different delivery zones and locations. Well, it is absolutely possible for us to do that. First, you want to just make sure to launch this Skip the Dishes app, and this is the option that you'll be able to see. And of course, making sure you log into your account. At the top, you can see a certain address, and we're on the delivery version, by the way. So this is my current address. But if I want to add one more delivery address or even more or multiple than that, then just tap on the drop down menu there. You can see this option that says select your location and it says add new address. So if I want to add a new delivery zone, I'll just select add new address here and go to type in my address, type in the new address where you might think that you might want the food to be delivered for you. And once you've done that, you can simply select that and then just tap or provide a house or any type of number there. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then add a delivery zone. This way you can set a delivery zone and Skip the Dishes. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.